You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Genesis chapter 1 verse 1, or you can simply say also if you want to learn, by the way, more biblical names. Make sure to stay tuned, we got them all here listed on the channel. I'll link a few more at the end of the video. You can say Genesis 1:1, that's also acceptable, or Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.